When typesetting newspapers, magazines, and other articles, it's often necessary to format columns to beautify the layout. Take this Word document as an example. Click Edit and select Tools. In the Home tab, select Columns. If you don't select a specific text range, the Columns function default will be applied to the whole article. According to the demand, you can click 1 for one column, 2 for two columns, or 3 for three columns. Left for two columns left, and right for two columns right are also available. You can also select where you want the column to be applied. For example, we want to column the first paragraph. You can also cancel the column effect with one click. Click 1 to restore the article typesetting to the initial state. WPS PC allows you to add column lines with the column function, adjust column spacing, and set multiple columns. You're welcome to edit on the PC.